How to link data between two Google Sheets. Managing data across different spreadsheets, you don't have to copy paste forever. Let's link one Google Sheet to another and pull data in real time using a simple formula. In the destination sheet, click a cell where you want the data. Over here, I want a data, so I'll tap is equals to import range, and then here you have to enter the URL and then sheets name and then exclamation mark and then range. It should be in double inverted comma, and then if you close it, now for the first time click on allow access, then your data will be imported to the sheet as well. That's it. Your cell now pulls data from the other files.